Mia, Jake, and Emily, a trio bound by an insatiable curiosity about the cosmos. Mia, the observatory wasn't just a place for observation, it was a testament to our shared dreams. Jake, Mia, the astrophysicist, possessed a mind that crackled with energy, always seeking answers among the stars. Emily, Jake, the engineer, viewed the cosmos as a giant puzzle, eager to decipher its mechanics. One night, their routine stargazing took an unexpected turn. A strange anomaly flickered on their instruments. Jake, excitement crackled in the air, thick enough to taste. This wasn't just a random cosmic burp, this was a message, an invitation whispered across light years. Mia. The signal wasn't just a message, it was a map, coordinates, pinpointing a location deep within a distant galaxy. Emily. Could this signal be the key to unlocking secrets long thought lost? The decision to embark on this journey wasn't taken lightly. Mia, the observatory, once our haven for observation, transformed into a hub of feverish activity. Jake, excitement warred with apprehension, but the thrill of the unknown fueled our determination. Jake, ever the engineer, took charge of their vessel, a state-of-the-art spacecraft, customized to withstand the rigors of interstellar travel. The universe, once a distant spectacle, was about to become their backyard. The day arrived, crisp and clear. Emily, they called her the Phoenix, a symbol of rebirth, of rising from the ashes of the ordinary to embrace the extraordinary. Every inch of the Phoenix was a testament to Jake's meticulous engineering. Jake, Emily, usually calm and collected, felt a flutter of nervousness as she secured her place in the cockpit. Mia, my eyes bright with anticipation, I ran my hand along the control panel. The universe awaited. The rumble that shook the ground as the Phoenix roared to life reverberated deep within their chests.
Look at those nebulae, vast clouds of gas and dust painted across the cosmos.
They adjusted to life aboard the Phoenix, a self-contained world hurtling through the void.
There's a sense of peace in the solitude, a feeling of being both insignificant and infinitely connected to something much larger than ourselves.
We're no longer simply observing the universe. We're part of its intricate dance.
They were part of something grand, something that transcended the boundaries of time and space. As they ventured further, the signal grew stronger, guiding them towards the uncharted territory.
These ancient texts, once dismissed as myths, seem to resonate with the signal's rhythm.
The stories spoke of a civilization known as the Lumina.
Could this signal, this map leading us deeper into the cosmos, be one such clue?
We're not just explorers anymore. We're archaeologists of the cosmos, piecing together the fragments of a forgotten past.
They were on the hunt for the Lumina, and the universe held its breath, waiting to see what they would find. The signal led them to the edge of charted space.
Even through the reinforced viewports of the Phoenix, the nebula's beauty is breathtaking.
It's like something out of a dream.
A dream on a cosmic scale.
They spent days simply observing, their instruments humming with activity as they recorded data and analyzed the nebula's composition. Their journey continued, the signal guiding them deeper into the nebula's heart.
The Phoenix carefully maneuvers through a dense field of asteroids, each one a potential threat to our mission.
A massive gas giant, a swirling vortex of indigo and violet, dominated the scene. Encircling it were countless rings, shimmering bands of ice and dust that stretched for millions of miles.
Ever the skilled pilot, I kept us on course, my hands moving swiftly over the controls. The ship shuddered with each near miss, the tension in the cockpit as thick as the dust cloud swirling outside.
Navigating the rings of Zephyr tested their skills and their courage, but they emerged from the experience stronger.
What is this place?
A gravitational anomaly. The quasar's gravity is so intense, it's bending space and time around it.
Ahead of them, a quasar blazed with the intensity of 1 billion suns, its light a beacon across the void. The very laws of physics seemed to be unraveling around them. Despite the chaos swirling around them, the signal remained steady, a beacon of hope in the maelstrom.
What are those?
As they drew closer, the objects resolved themselves into structures vast and intricate, defying any conventional architectural design.
They're artificial.
These were no natural phenomena. They had stumbled upon something truly extraordinary, something that could unlock secrets hidden for millennia. The closer they got to the structures, the more unsettling the energy around them became.
This place, it feels wrong.
Our instruments are going haywire. The gravitational distortions are off the charts.
Something's not right. I've never seen energy readings like this before.
Despite their growing unease, the allure of the unknown proved too strong to resist.
Do you hear that?
Hear what?
Exactly, it's too quiet. Where are the lumina? Where is everyone?
As they stepped out of the airlock and onto the pyramid's surface, a wave of dizziness washed over them. It was as if they'd stumbled into a city frozen in time, its inhabitants vanished, leaving behind only ghostly echoes of a once thriving civilization. Driven by a mixture of curiosity and a growing sense of dread, they ventured deeper into the pyramid.
These symbols, I've seen them before.
The Eldarins, who are they?
Not who. What? According to the legends, the Eldarins weren't like the Lumina. They craved power, dominion over the very fabric of the cosmos.
This isn't the Lumina City, is it? This is the Eldarin's doing.
A cold chill snaked down Mia's spine. As if in response to his words, the ground beneath their feet began to tremble.
What's happening?
"I don't know," Mia shouted back, her eyes wide with a mixture of fear and fascination. They turned to flee, but it was too late. The corridor behind them had sealed shut, trapping them within the heart of the pyramid. They had awakened the nightmare of the Eldarins. The ground shuddered beneath them, the once dormant pyramid now pulsing with malevolent energy.
We're trapped!
I can't establish contact with the Phoenix.
From the chasm, a figure began to materialize.
The Eldarin.
The legends were no longer mere stories, they were a terrifying reality. The Eldarin, its voice a chilling rasp that seemed to slither through their minds, spoke.
"Intruders," it hissed, the word echoing with an ancient malice. "You have trespassed upon forbidden ground, disturbed a slumber eons old."
"We meant no harm," Mia said, her voice surprisingly steady despite the fear that clawed at her throat. "We were following a signal, seeking knowledge."
"Knowledge is power," the Eldarin boomed, its voice resonating through the chamber like thunder. "And power is not meant for those who dwell in the light."
A wave of the Eldarin's hand and holographic images exploded around them, depicting scenes of unimaginable chaos and destruction. Planets shattered, stars extinguished, entire galaxies consumed by a swirling vortex of darkness. This was the Eldarin's legacy, a testament to its insatiable hunger for power.
"You will serve as our instruments," the Eldarin declared, its gaze piercing. "Through you, we will regain what was lost, reclaim our rightful place as masters of this galaxy."
The weight of the Eldarin's words settled upon them like a physical burden. They were pawns in a cosmic game, their lives forfeit to a power they could barely comprehend. But Mia, Jake, and Emily were not ones to surrender to despair.
This ancient book.
Emily said, her voice trembling but resolute as she held up the worn volume.
It speaks of the Eldarins, their weaknesses, their vulnerabilities.
It also mentions a key.
Jake added, his eyes scanning the chamber, searching for any sign, any clue.
A key to unlock their power, to control it.
Mia closed her eyes, focusing on the energy that thrummed around them, the energy that emanated from the Eldarin itself. She could sense it, a faint tremor, a dissonance in the fabric of reality.
It's a gamble.
She whispered, her eyes snapping open, alight with a newfound determination.
But it's our only chance.
Taking a deep breath, Mia focused her will, channeling the very energy that crackled around them. She had always been drawn to the cosmos, felt its rhythms, its power. Now, she would tap into that power, use it as a weapon against their captor.
Emily, find that key.
Mia shouted, her voice barely audible above the roar of energy that erupted from her outstretched hands. The Eldarin, caught off guard by this unexpected surge of defiance, roared in anger. Shadows writhed around it, lashing out at the humans like whips of darkness. But Mia stood firm, a conduit for the raw power of the cosmos, her fear replaced by a cold fury. The chamber pulsed, energy clashing against energy, light battling against encroaching darkness. The fate of the galaxy, the very balance of the cosmos, hung precariously in the balance. The Eldarin, consumed by its own hubris, had underestimated the humans. It had mistaken their curiosity for weakness, their compassion for a liability. It had failed to grasp the strength that lay at the heart of their connection to the cosmos. Mia, drawing upon the raw energy of the universe, held the creature at bay.
The key, Emily.
Mia shouted, her voice strained but unwavering. The air crackled, charged with the intensity of their struggle. Each surge of energy from the Eldarin was met with a counterwave from Mia, a delicate dance on the edge of oblivion. Emily, frantically flipping through the ancient text, her heart pounding against her ribs, finally found it. A single phrase, scrawled in a language that seemed to writhe and shift before her eyes, yet somehow she understood.
The nexus point.
She breathed, her gaze sweeping across the chamber, searching for something, anything that resonated with the words echoing in her mind.
The key lies at the nexus point.
Section 2, the heart of the labyrinth.
There, that must be it.
Fools, you cannot hope to control what you do not understand.
Go, I'll hold it off.
Section 3, confronting the darkness. Jake and Emily, trusting in Mia's strength, sprinted towards the nexus point. The air thrummed, alive with energy, threatening to overwhelm them. But they pressed on, their determination fueled by a desperate hope.
No, you will not succeed. This galaxy will be mine.
But it was too late. Emily, guided by instinct and the ancient wisdom contained within the book, placed her hand upon the nexus point. A blinding flash of light engulfed the chamber, throwing grotesque shadows that danced and writhed in a silent symphony of chaos. Section 4, a universe rebalanced. The light faded, revealing a scene of utter stillness. The Eldarin, its form flickering, stared in disbelief as the humans emerged, unharmed.
What have you done?
We've restored balance.
The Eldarin collapsed, dissolving into motes of darkness. The threat had been vanquished, the universe saved. Silence descended upon the chamber, heavy and profound. The echoes of the Eldarin's final cries faded into the fabric of the pyramid. The air felt lighter, as if a storm had passed, leaving a profound stillness. Mia, Jake, and Emily stood together, bathed in the soft, ethereal glow. The symbols on the wall hummed with a gentle energy, whispering forgotten secrets.
The Lumina, she whispered, her voice echoing in the vast chamber. They knew the Eldarin would rise again, threatening the galaxy.
And they left a way to stop it, Jake added, his gaze sweeping across the chamber. This pyramid ... it, quote, "s a weapon, a safeguard against the darkness."
With the Eldarin vanquished and the galaxy safe, a profound sense of peace settled over them. Their mission, once driven by a thirst for knowledge, had taken an unexpected turn. They had confronted a power that threatened their galaxy and emerged victorious. Yet a different kind of yearning tugged at their hearts, the call of home.
It's time to go home, Mia said, her gaze fixed on the distant stars.
Jake nodded, a bittersweet smile playing on his lips. As much as I love exploring the unknown, there's no place like home.
The journey back to Earth was a blur, years spent hurtling through space compressed into moments. Approaching home, emotions surged, relief, gratitude, accomplishment. They returned as seasoned explorers, minds expanded, spirits tempered, witnessing cosmic wonders, confronting terrors, their bond unbreakable. Entering Earth's atmosphere, the Phoenix ablaze, their lives forever changed. The universe, once distant, now felt intimately familiar. The Phoenix touched down, its journey complete. Stepping out, they were greeted with a hero's welcome. Their tale, a testament to human courage and friendship, would inspire generations. For Mia, Jake, and Emily, the greatest reward was making a difference. They faced their fears and emerged stronger, their bond unbreakable. As they stood together, they knew their journey was far from over. The universe held infinite possibilities. Bound by their experience, they were eager to explore its wonders.